Everyone, welcome to the channel. So in the last lecture we have covered about operators precedence. Okay, so in this lecture we will cover about what is operator associativity. Okay, so associativity is nothing but the direction in which operators with the same precedence are evaluated. So in Python, operators can be evaluated in two ways, either left to right or right to left. So generally we think it's always left to right, but no, there are some operators which are evaluated from right to left. Okay, so let's see an example. Let's say we have print 10 minus 5 minus 3. So how this is getting evaluated from left to right? So first we will get, because minus has the same precedence, right? But which one will get calculated first? So first we will have 10 minus 5, okay, left to right, which will become 5, and then we will have 5 minus 3, which will become basically 2. Okay, let me change it. 9 minus 5, which is 4, then 4 minus 3 means 1. Okay, so here subtraction is evaluated from left to right, not from right to left, right? Okay, so like this, this is the operator which works from left to right. But there are some operators like exponentiation which works from right to left. Basically, let's say we have expression like 2 exponentiation 3 exponentiation 2. Okay, so it's not evaluated like 2 to the power exponentiation 3 and the result will get again exponentiation by 2. We will have first 3 exponentiation 2, means from right to left. So 3 exponentiation 2 will become 9, and then 2 to the power 9. So basically it will become 512, right? So this is getting evaluated from left to right, but this is getting evaluated from right to left. Okay, so most of the operators works from left to right. Okay, but here for in case of exponentiation, it is getting evaluated from right to left. Okay, let's say one more example. We have print 100 division by 2 division by 2. Okay, so this will get evaluated from left to right. Okay, left to right means first 100 will get divided by 2, okay, and then will be divided by 2 again. Or we can make it a more simple. Let's say 100 divided by 10, which will become 10, then 10 divided by 2, which will become ultimately 5. Okay, and again we have the same example of this. It is getting evaluated from right to left. Okay, so these are the associativity, means how our operators are going to be evaluated. So if you don't know, and if you see the result of this one, and if you don't know that it is getting evaluated right to left, so you will be confused like why the result is 512. Okay, instead of 2 to the power 3, which is 8, and 8 to the power 2, like 64. And when you see 512 instead of 64, you will get confused, because these are getting calculated from right to left instead of left to right. Okay, so this is all about associativity in Python and how the expressions are evaluated. Okay, so I hope you like this video. There is one more thing come to your mind when I was preparing for precedence table. What is unary operator and what is addition and subtraction? Like what is the difference between these two? Because here also we have addition and subtraction, and here also we have the same. So in the next lecture we will cover the difference between these two. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.